Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to log in Yubo app. For that, first of all, open up your Yubo app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you'll see the option of login. Tap on it. You can either log in with your username or your password, or you can log in with your phone number. First, I'm going to show you how to log in with username and password. Here you'll have to enter your username and your password. And when you're done, tap on login. This way you can log in with your username and password. Now I'm going to teach you how to log in with your phone number. Scroll down and you'll see the option of login with phone number. Tap on it. After that, you'll have to enter your phone number. Now you'll have to verify your phone number with Snapchat or SMS. For now, I'm going to verify it with Snapchat. Now tap on verify to log in. This way you can easily log in on Yubo. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.